And so we have a laser here, and the audience, I think you have some glasses if you would put them on. We are not going to be, you're really not at risk for the laser, but this is just for safety's sake, and we're going to put on our glasses too. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this laser and compare it to the layers of the skin when I treat my patients with festoons. So this top layer of the avocado, we're going to consider the top layer of the skin. This is the first layer that we go through. And as we're going through this, what I'm doing here is I'm really in my patients, I'm creating sort of a controlled wound. And the body is going to heal this wound, and when it does, it's going to grow brand new skin that's almost like baby skin. So at this point, as we're going through, we're seeing the color start to change here. We're seeing a different color, and that's like the middle layer of the skin that we go through. I keep on going, and then very soon here, we're going to start to see the color change even more. And here it is, coming out. It's a little bit of this light greenish color, a little bit of a lime green. Perfect. So we now see a couple different layers here. We see the top layer, the middle layer, and the deep layer. And those are the layers that I go through when I'm treating my patients. That's the layer where I can create new elastic and collagen fibers. That's the layer where I can create this magic.
And of course, what Erin and everyone else
and you can take off your glasses.
Is if you've undergone this procedure, she looks fabulous right now. Is this something that she would maybe have to have done again, or is this problem solved?
You know, once this is fixed, the great thing, as long as she protects herself from the sun, she can have this result as long as she wants.
And Erin, I'm assuming you're happy with the results because you look fabulous.
I'm so happy with this.
You look great, Erin.
Thank you very much.